So you might be in a situation where for some reason you're getting this particular pop-up that tells you that your iPhone is either unavailable or your iPhone is not available. Now, this can happen for a couple of different reasons. Number one, the main reason why something like this could end up happening for the most part is usually because you forgot your passcode or you try to unlock your passcode too many times on your phone. For some reason, it's not working. So the best thing you can do is to let your iPhone just sit there for a little bit of time and let it just, kind of do its thing, right? Just let it go through and essentially just wait it out until it ends up fixing the problem itself or until your iPhone basically just comes back and you can type in the passcode or Face ID or something. Then when you get into that option, if your phone is still not letting you going through and if it's not letting you, like if you don't remember the passcode or anything like that, you don't have much of a choice. You're going to have to click on the forgot passcode option or find a way to go ahead and get that passcode for your phone. There's a lot of ways to do it. There's not too many ways, but just go through your notes on a different device, see if you can remember the passcode. Try that passcode on a different Apple device that you have. Your best bet is to go through and just find a way to go through and basically just find that passcode so you can type that in. That way you don't have to go through and like worry about it being, giving you issues or whatever the case is. Now, if you do that and that's not working, if this option comes up again, you can click on forgot passcode and there's going to be other reset options that you're going to have there too. So you can try using those other reset options, try using your device for the most part, but that's kind of the main way to do it. If it's still giving you problems, you can try restarting your phone, holding the volume up in the side button, slide the power off. You can see if this kind of stuff ends up fixing it, but for the most part, that's kind of the main way to go and fix this issue. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.